Hi, it's Richard from FunFit Adventure. I'm here inside the Hero Ranger, and this Ranger is heading off to a new customer tomorrow. So we just thought we'd show you one feature inside here that we haven't shown you before, which is the slide-out bed and shelf, which is an option that you can get fitted to either the Hero Ranger or the Hero Traveler. So we just thought you'd give you a little show of it and see it in action. So it'll just be quite a quick video. So this is the shelf bed unit here. It's got two little catches on either side, and what we do is we push those catches down, we push the other one down at the same time, and then the bed slides out. It comes all the way out and clicks into position. So you can see it's got a small mattress on the top here, and really for a child's bed. So you can see it's the same width as the main mattress, and the bed can take a weight up to 60 kilograms on here. But it's not only a bed; it can also be used as a shelf. So the mattress is actually velcroed on, so we can take the mattress off like that, and then we've actually got a shelf space here. And it's one of those useful things if you wanted to put an iPad, a laptop, and use it for you could eat off it, you can watch TV on it, and use it as a general shelf. So quite a handy shelf, and it just tucks away, not really using any space in the Hero either. So something worth a look at. Whether you want to use it as a bed or as a simple shelf. Now, if you're using it as a bed, if we put the mattress back on, then we've also got this little piece here. So which clicks in. We've got three little holes here. One in the back here, and then pop that in there, and you see then we've got a bit of protection here from a child is sleeping in there, and got a bit of protection so they're not going to roll out, and also a bit of a gap between when you're down in the main part of the Ranger, and then that can just clip out again. Pop that away. And then it's just a matter of simply pushing down on the blue latches, and then it'll slide back underneath and click into place. And you'll see, I mean, where your legs are, it's not actually using up that much space, and you've still got the use of the shelf there, and of course the cupboards as well. So that's just a quick demonstration of the slide out bed and shelf. That's an option that you can get on any of the Heroes, and we've also got, as of last week now, all the new Hero Rangers for 2021 available. So we've just updated the website, new pages, new pictures, all the new price lists, new bundles of packages of accessories that you can get, and that's all now available, ready to go. And there's a new video out as well. So there's a few things changed in the new model. Extra accessories that you can get, and quite a number of features now as standard. So you can have a look at the website, and there's a new blog article on the website as well that tells you a bit about the changes in the new model. And just one other bit of information: if you are after a stock model, we do have one left at the end of this year, which is the Hero Traveler. So we'll just have a little look at that outside there. There's the Hero Traveler there, and that has been discounted for the end of this year. So if you are after a Hero camper and want to make some savings on one, then that Hero Traveler is there ready to go. And we've also got the optional kitchen awning to go with that Hero Traveler as well. You can get all the latest information on our website, which is funfitadventure.co.uk. And we've also got our YouTube channel and Instagram page and Facebook page. I'll put all the links below in the description. So go and check us out, and thanks for watching the video.